Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the UST Rowdy Tigers for beating the UP Fighting Maroons 87-67. We have Coach Jack Guan, Colin Zakowe, and Nick Caballo. Coach Jack, congratulations on this victory, especially in front of your schoolmates. At saka first time na nanalo ang UST over UP since 2019. So how does it feel na, yun nga, nanalo ko lang pre-season, nanalo na kayo sa kanila. Pero itong sa UAP, ito, nanalo kayo ulit. So what can you say?
First of all, si Coach Pito na kasi Boston. Siguro, dahil maganda yung opening ceremony ng UST, so gusto rin namin ng magandang performance para sa fans namin at saka naniniwala sa amin and sa mga sponsor namin sa so gusto na namin mag-perform ng maayos para sa opening.
Thank you. And to Nick, you had 9 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, and plus 40. Yung nga, ito, this is your start of your final year. So, ano man sabi mo na yun nga, last year, hindi nanalo nung dito sa home court, pero this time around, nakabawi kayo, nanalo ko at convincing against the defending champion.
We prepared well. We prepared well, tapos stick to the system na kami na Coach Pido. Naniniwala talaga ako sa mga teammates ko na kaya namin kalunin. So, I think, na-comment ko lahat ng mga teammates ko at yung coaches kasi teamwork na rin yung lahat para makuha na namin.
Thank you. And to Collins, they have an impressive debut of 29 points, 17 rebounds, 1 block, 1 steal, and 1 assist, and plus 27. So, you're playing for the first time as a UST player, and in front of home crowd, how does it feel to win?
Actually, it's a great feeling, taking advantage of the uniforms. Also, I just have to do what I got to do. I'm representing UST. I have to take it up for myself. They're taking care of me, so this is the only way I can pay them back. So I just did the job.
Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Collins, did you see yourself immediately playing this with just your first game day?
And actually, coming into the game, I just have to play my head, and I told myself, whatever it is, I just got to do it. And again, I just have to play my head. That's just it. Just play. Whoever comes. If I score, fine. If I doesn't, I just got to help the team in whichever way I can. That's it.
Nick, as UST's co-captain, ano masabi mo na meron na kayong dominant force in the middle na pwede kayong pasakan with control the rebound and the inside?
From what Colin said, he's just doing his role. Even as a rookie, I know na been on the UAP for how many years now. And I know he will do well. Actually, tumit ko nga siya dun sa Korea. Lagi kami nag-talk about sa futures here in UST. And ini-instill and binag-guide lang namin yung sports team ni Collins and all the teammates.
First of all, welcome to USU. You and Kyle set the tempo early in this game. How much have you guys worked on that chemistry in the offseason?
Actually, in practice, me and Kai, we tend to do things a lot, like the pick and roll and stuff. And yesterday we were together, I think, after practice, we were together for like 4 hours, just driving around. And we were just talking like, coming into this game, man, as a rookie and also as a veteran, man, we just got to do it, man. If others are not ready, we just have to take it upon ourselves. So that's what we're trying to do. That's why when we make basket, we're like talking to each other, like, come here, and stuff like that. Let's do this.
Coach, was it really part of the game plan kumbaga, to really feed Collins down low, especially with the UP's bigs medyo being unproven, lacking QMB and Lopez now?
Actually, just playing the system, everyone gets to touch the ball. So happy na Collins did a great job seeing their plays and giving good reads if they opening. So, yung game plan naman namin, it's based on it. So lahat naman sila, we win what is decision.
for the entire coaching staff, gaano kalaking moral boost na lang to given na Nick didn't score that much, Fortsky was out for this game, and yung ibang guys pa hindi pa nagko-contribute siya. So, heading to the next few games, gaano kalaking moral boost na to given the fact that usual guys didn't contribute as much pero still convincing win over the defending champions.
Of course, sobrang laking moral booster sa amin. Of course, defending champion yung match of respect sa kanila, sa coaching staff. But the good thing lang is, even sabi nyo nga wala si Fortsky and si yung at least na napakita namin sa players na the system's gonna work, is na believe lang sila. So, yun naman, gagawin ko naman is namin sa season. So,
Nick, pag tinatanong ka kung bakit ka nagstay, lagi mo sinasabi na kinonvince ka ni Coach Pito and his staff na magstay kasi pinamis sila sa'yo na bibigyan ka ng tulong. They will surround you with players who want to win as badly as you. So, ano lang pakiramdam na ganito yung pinakita mo and ganito rin yung mga nakapaligid sa yung teammates ngayon?
Sobrang thankful ako and happy kasi matagal ko na talaga na so I believe in process and I really believe in process and it is your time, it is your time. So I know it's just a one win ngayon nangyari pero mag-focus ako against that actually.
Colin, so of course, UP is just done, but how excited are you to test yourself against like Mike Phillips and Mason Ames?
I'm looking forward to that for sure. And it's just basketball. It's basketball. It's gonna start with basketball coach. I'm just gonna do. I will just do what I have to do. That's gonna be. I'm even happy playing against UP my first game to see, to see what I can fitting into the system and everything. So yeah.
Coach, you won a championship sa UST in 2006. Pero you never had experience of playing na, yun nga, sa school. So, how does it feel na yun nga, isa sa mga coaching ka coming dito, tapos ito, nanalo kayo na in front of your school?
of course, nakakaingit. Of course, playing sa home court. But again, it's their time na now. So, sila Fortsky, sila Morin. So, I'm just telling them that this year, you just have to believe. Kasi probably last year, without but now, talk to them, sabi mga sa ngayon, para you just have to believe. Yun naman yung kailangan nila maniwala sila na kaya namin this year.
And syempre, of course, we won podium village last year and this time around we wanted to go higher. So ano yung sinasabi mo sa mga teammates mo para syempre ma-achieve yung goal mo?
Nung natin namin earlier, sinabi ko talaga kanina, yes, do you believe na kaya natin marating sa championship? But, naniniwala ba kayo na kaya natin talunin? Yun yung first statement na sinabi ko sa mga teammates in which na wholeheartedly nila na gusto talaga namin natin. And gutom na gutom talaga kami every game, gusto namin manalo.
Congratulations, Coach Jobs, Colin, and Nick. Thank you.
Thank you.